Hey, good morning, everyone. Mr. Anderson here. It is Thursday. Let's see what's the date today. April 16th, approximately 9:30. I wanted to reach out this morning, a little different medium, um, to nonlinear algebra. Normally, you guys get emails from me. Today, you're getting a video. Um, just give this video a watch. It's just going to have a couple things in it, and it allowed me to verbalize these things and, like I said, communicate slightly differently. What you see on the screen here is our Schoology page. It's our nonlinear algebra Schoology course. I've gotten a couple questions on this, so I want to make sure I'm addressing them. When it comes to the office hours link, it's the black folder at the top of the page. You guys can see this. It says EFL, Extended Flex Learning Office Hours. All right, if you guys click that or open that, you're going to see what those office hours are in this written document, but you're also going to see a link. And if you click that link, it's the same link that I've sent out multiple times via email. It'll bring up a window, right? It'll bring up a window, and you're going to have the opportunity to jump into a live face-to-face conversation with me. My office hours are every day. Every day we have school from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. All right? Now watch what happens when I click on this, because it is an issue maybe for some of you. If you click the link, you're going to notice it just brings up this kind of a page here. And if it does that and you can't access your video conferencing, what you might have to do is you might have to click this. All right, you might have to click this this bump out. And if you do that, now it'll open up a brand new window, and that brand new window will allow you to get face-to-face with me. All right, enough of that. A couple other things that we've got going on. All right, I'm going to just back out right here to our Schoology homepage. We've got our calendar, and if you click on our calendar, it'll bring up this kind of a thing, and I've got this week centered right here. All right, I've got April 13th, that's Monday, the 14th Tuesday, the 15th Wednesday. This is our suggested assignment pacing. Notice today is exponential growth quiz and decay number 3. That's Thursday. That's today. Today's the 16th of April. You guys can knock that thing out. It is open and available to you in Khan Academy. All right? It is open now. Tomorrow, I'm going to have an assessment open for you, and you're going to have to knock that assessment out. This quiz, it's suggested, oops, I got to spell do correctly. It's suggested to be done today. I don't anticipate it's going to take you very long, but I'm going to make this due by end of day Friday the 17th. Okay, that's going to give you 48 hours-ish to do that. All right, the test I'm going to have running at midnight tonight through midnight Friday. So you're going to have a full 24 hours to knock that test out. All right, and both of those things are, like I said, in Khan Academy. If you are somebody who's struggling in Khan Academy or struggling with how to get there, I can't stress enough, jump on with me, right? Shoot, some of you guys even know this, email me, and we can schedule a time outside of those office hours to get together, right? It's easy to do, guys and gals. It's easy to do. Just reach out, take some responsibility, and take some initiative, and we'll get it done. You're not alone in this. We'll get it done. All right? I don't have anything else for you today other than I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. All right? I know these things kind of stink for people who are social extroverts like me. All right? If you're like me, I'm sorry that you're stuck in this kind of scenario, but remember, doing one day more of our social distancing today, we're one day closer to being back together with everyone we love somehow. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, I can't stress enough. If you need anything, I'm here for you. Reach out. Email, Schoology message, right? However you need to. Let's get together. All right? Miss you all terribly. Hope you're safe. Hope you're healthy. Have a great rest of your day.